better to have a glue. This is our WTM-04 Travel Motors, Final Drives. We can also call it Final Drives. And that's what you can get as soon as you order our products. Hi, I'm Terry from Weitai Hydraulic, and this is our travel motors. You can also call it the Final Drives. So we'll give you a brief introduction of these travel motors. You will see the top side is a valve block, and inside is a hydraulic motors, and the last part is the planetary gearbox. So this is mainly used for excavator undercarriages. Our products range is from WTM-02 to WTM-16. So that means our travel motors can use to excavators from 1 ton to 13 ton basically. For more information of our products, you can visit our website or you can contact us directly. Hello, I'm Terry from Weitai Hydraulic, and this is our travel motors. You can also call it Final Drives. So our Final Drive is